Hello and welcome back to Dalmatia Untouched. Although today we are outside the borders of Dalmatia, we are actually in Lika, it's north of Dalmatia. I found this topic very interesting to share, so if you're with me, keep on watching. Today we're visiting one of Europe's largest military facilities, the Željava airbase. Željava is a village near Plitvice Lakes. It's located on the border of Bosnia and Croatia. The airbase was constructed by the Yugoslav armed forces under a mountain Plješevica at a secret location. Not so secret anymore, but in this video we're going to see how the airbase looks like today. The first thing, and of course the inevitable Instagram attraction that you will see when you get here, is an old Douglas C-47. It is in a great condition from the outside, if we look at the years, and even though it's not the safest thing to do, it is possible to climb on and see how the inside of a plane looks like. From that point on, if you have some extra time on your hand, you can walk to the airbase. If not, you can also get there by car. As you can imagine, we decided to walk and we met a lot of animals on the way. The whole site is guarded by police that is driving around all the time for whatever reason. But the fun fact, or at least something to think about, is that when we arrived, a police officer gave us permission to visit tunnels number 1 and 2, but we could not enter 3rd and 4th tunnel. The construction of Željava airport started in 1955, and it took the old Yugoslavs 13 years to build these huge tunnels. It is also known by the code name Facility 505 or KLEK, as they call the underground part of the airport. This military complex was the most expensive project of the former Yugoslavia. It actually took about $6 billion to build the base back at the time, which is equal to $48.7 billion of today's currency, which is a lot. It was used until 1992, when it was mined during the War of Independence. Due to the huge damage, the airport was completely useless ever since, and this is how the site looks like today.
But it was heavily used in the 91 though.
Yeah. So Serbs used them.
Destroyed.
Yeah, it's like all the air ducts and all the air ducts.
As you can see, we came unprepared, so our phones became flashlights, and even we had a really good laugh inside. We were actually looking for Yogi all the time. I have to tell you, it feels like the ghosts of Yugoslavia still rise all over the place. At least for me, it was really scary to wander around these huge tunnels, especially because the creepy sound of water dropping surrounds the place. It's kind of a horror movie beginnings. All the time you have this feeling that someone is going to jump out and be like, "How you doing?" So everything together, as you can see, looks very cold and neglected. Unfortunately, the iron collectors, I'm not sure if that's the correct word, but I'm gonna translate it literally. Iron collectors took away everything that could tell any story. You could even see in Douglas C-47 that the last detail was taken away because, you know, screw history when you can sell it and earn money, right? However, if you want to visit this place, I would not recommend bringing along children. It's not safe at all. There are stones hanging from the ceiling and possible gas leaks. Also, an extreme caution needs to be used when approaching this site due to a large number of unexploded landmines and other munitions around the place. Other than that, if you want to visit it, you're gonna love it because it's just special and different.
Hello, Yogi. Bilo je, brate. Zgubija bi se one momentalno. On vidio, brate. I'm speaking Croatian. So scared now.
So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe and don't miss out on another video. And please leave a comment below on what you think, why we couldn't enter tunnel number 3 and tunnel number 4.